Welcome to MotorRev. Today, we're diving deep into the specs of the CFMOTO 450SR, a sporty and stylish motorcycle that's been making waves in the market. Let's break down what this bike has to offer. Overview. The CFMOTO 450SR is a testament to CFMOTO's commitment to delivering high-quality, performance-oriented motorcycles. Positioned as a sport bike, the 450SR combines aggressive aesthetics, advanced technology, and a potent engine, making it a compelling option for enthusiasts and new riders alike. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 450SR is a 450cc parallel twin engine, liquid-cooled to ensure optimal performance even under demanding conditions. Here are the key engine specs. Displacement, 450cc. Configuration, parallel twin. Cooling system, liquid-cooled. Power output, approximately 50 horsepower at 9,500 RPM. Torque, 39 Nm at 7,600 RPM. Fuel delivery, EFI, electronic fuel injection. Transmission, 6-speed manual. The engine is designed to deliver a balanced mix of power and efficiency, making it suitable for both spirited rides and everyday commuting. Chassis and suspension. The 450SR features a robust chassis that ensures stability and precision handling. The frame is constructed from high-strength steel, providing a solid foundation for both performance and safety. Frame, high-strength steel, front suspension, USD, upside down, telescopic forks, rear suspension, monoshock, adjustable for preload. The suspension setup is tuned for a sporty feel, offering excellent feedback and control, whether you're carving through corners or cruising on the highway. Brakes and wheels. Safety and control are paramount, and the CFMOTO 450SR is equipped with high-quality braking components and wheels to ensure confident stopping power and road grip. Front brakes, dual 320mm discs with radial-mounted calipers. Rear brake, single 240mm disc with a single piston caliper. ABS, dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. Wheels, 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires, sport-oriented tires with a 120/70 front and 160/60 rear. Design and ergonomics. The 450SR boasts an aggressive and aerodynamic design with sharp lines and a sleek profile that highlights its sporty nature. The riding position is ergonomically designed to offer comfort during longer rides without compromising on the aggressive stance required for sporty riding. Seat height, 795mm. Weight, 168 kilograms. Dry fuel tank capacity, 14 liters. Lighting, full LED headlight and taillight, providing excellent visibility. Technology and features. CFMOTO has packed the 450SR with modern technology and features to enhance the riding experience. Instrument cluster. Full color TFT display providing clear readouts of speed, RPM, fuel level, and more. Ride modes. Multiple ride modes to adjust performance characteristics according to rider preference. Connectivity. Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone integration, allowing for navigation and music controls via the TFT display. Quick shifter. Optional quick shifter for seamless upshifts. The CFMOTO 450SR stands out as an impressive sport bike that offers a great blend of power, agility, and modern technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a spirited machine or a newcomer seeking a stylish and capable bike, the 450SR is worth considering. That wraps up our detailed review of the CFMOTO 450SR here on MotorRev. Stay tuned for more motorcycle reviews and ride safe.